per yogi culture, we have three kinds of bodies, or we call it as sharira. One is sthula sharira, which is gross body, and we have sukshma sharira, subtle body, and we have karna sharira, which is a very subtle body. And we have different practices for different bodies. Namaste everyone, welcome back to Adiyogam. In the past videos, we have discussed about almost all the theoretical aspects of Hatha Yoga. Now here onwards, we are going to discuss about the practical aspects of Hatha Yoga. When I say practicals, the first question comes, where should one begin the practice? As per yogi culture, we have three kinds of bodies, or we call it as sharira. One is sthula sharira, which is gross body, and we have sukshma sharira, subtle body, and we have karna sharira, which is a very subtle body. Let us understand what is sthula sharira and what are all the things that are included in sthula sharira practices. Sthula means a gross, sharira means body. So for sthula sharira, we have sthula vyayama. Vyayama means exercises, or you can say practices. It starts with shat karmas, 6 cleansing techniques, and followed by Shitilikarana Vyayama, which we are going to discuss in detail very soon. Surya Namaskara, sun salutation, asanas, posture. We have already made a video for beginners asana practice. Find the link in the description or somewhere up here. And when it comes to Sukshma Sharira, we have subtle practices like Sukshama Vyayama, Pranayama, breathing techniques. So we have made detailed videos for pranayama practices, which you can find the link in the description below. Pratyahara practices, which are practices for withdrawing the senses, dharana, concentration, and also we have meditation, dhyana. And there are a few practices for karna sharira, which we are not going to discuss at this moment, but we'll definitely touch those parts very soon in the later videos. So now let us get into the Shitilikarna Vyayama today. Shitilikarna Vyayama means loosening exercises, or lubricating exercises, or lubricating your joints. It's nothing but warm-up.